Are you a student looking to excel in academics? This video is for you. We have compiled 10 valuable tips that will help you achieve academic success. From effective study techniques to time management strategies, this comprehensive guide will equip you with essential skills to thrive in your educational journey. So, let's dive right in and discover the key to achieving excellence in academics. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best advice and tips for excelling in your academic journey. In today's video, we will share with you 10 invaluable tips to help you achieve academic success. Whether you're a high school student or a university scholar, these strategies will empower you to reach your full potential. So, let's get started. Tip 1. Effective study techniques. By understanding your learning style and tailoring your study methods accordingly, you can make the most out of your study sessions. Some popular techniques include active reading, creating flashcards, and participating in group discussions. Experiment with different approaches to find what works best for you. Tip 2. Organize your study space. A cluttered environment can distract you from focusing on your academics. Keep your study area clean and free from distractions. Arrange your books, supplies, and study materials in an organized manner, promoting a conducive learning environment. Tip 3. Set clear goals. Make a list of short-term and long-term academic goals. Setting achievable objectives will help you stay motivated and provide a sense of direction. Break down larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks, and celebrate your achievements along the way. Tip 4. Develop a study schedule. Time management is crucial for academic success. Create a study schedule that suits your needs and commitments. Allocate specific times for studying different subjects or topics, ensuring a balanced workload and reducing procrastination. Tip 5. Use resources wisely. Your educational institution provides a plethora of resources to support your learning journey. Utilize the library, online databases, digital tools, and academic support services. These resources can enhance your understanding of the subjects and boost your performance. Tip 6. Stay engaged in class. Active participation in class discussions and asking questions when in doubt can immensely benefit your learning. Take effective notes during lectures, review them regularly, and clarify any confusion with your teachers and classmates. Tip 7. Seek help when needed. Don't hesitate to reach out to your teachers or classmates for assistance. If you're struggling with a particular subject or concept, ask for guidance. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength and determination. Tip 8. Practice regularly. The key to mastering academic subjects lies in consistent practice. Solve practice questions, attempt sample exams, and engage in hands-on activities. Regular practice strengthens your understanding and boosts your confidence. Tip 9. Take care of your well-being. A healthy mind and body are essential for academic success. Prioritize your sleep, exercise regularly, maintain a balanced diet, and manage stress effectively. Taking care of yourself will enhance your focus and concentration. Tip 10. Stay motivated. Maintain a positive mindset and believe in your abilities. Surround yourself with supportive peers, celebrate your accomplishments, and embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Remember, your success is within your reach. That concludes our 10 tips to excel in academics. By implementing these strategies, you can take your educational journey to new heights. Always remember the importance of perseverance and dedication. We hope you found this video valuable. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more academic tips and guidance. Until next time, keep striving for excellence. Outro music fades out.